Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to be reviewing Redken's new acidic color gloss shampoo and conditioner, plus the hair treatment as well as the heat protectant. I would like to say that I am not sponsored by Redken. I just thought I would bring something new to this channel and start reviewing some hair care products for you guys. So I'm already a big fan of the ABC, the acidic bonding concentrate by Redken. I actually think I have done a video on that in the past. If you guys want to go check it out, it should be on my channel. But when I was in my State Beauty Supply getting product, I had seen this. I just knew I had to get it because prior to that, I was on Instagram and I had seen a before and after of someone's hair, and just the shine and gloss that it had gave them was beautiful, and I just knew I had to try this product out. So this is my client Adriana. She hasn't been in quite some time. Her hair is a little greasy. She hadn't washed it. So we're going to be trying this product on her. Okay, so now we are going to shampoo her. So first you're going to shampoo, then you're going to rinse, and then you're going to do the acidic color gloss treatment. You're going to leave that in for 5 minutes, and then you're going to rinse that out, and then you're going to add the conditioner. So again, you're going to shampoo, rinse, treatment for 5 minutes, rinse, and then you're going to do the conditioner. So here is the acidic color gloss treatment. Now, I messed up and I thought I was recording this part, but I didn't. But what I did was I went ahead and just added that treatment in the container bottle, and I applied that all throughout the hair. Now you leave this in for a total of 5 minutes. You can do 10 minutes, but we just did 5. So one thing that I'm big on as well as my clients is smell. I'm going to give this product a 10 out of 10. You guys have to try it. The smell is so freaking good. Even my client was like, that smells so good. Other people that are watching their clients out was like, what are you using? That smells so good. So I'm going to give this smell a definitely 10 out of 10. And what I like about the treatment is it doesn't smell like any type of chemically smell. It smells so freaking good. They all smell the same. So after 5 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed the treatment out, and then we went in with the acidic color gloss conditioner. Condition it normally like you would when you condition your hair, and then we rinsed her up, and then here I am about to give her a blowout.
Invincible.
This is where step 4 comes in. This is optional, but I'm going to use it because I'm going to use this product from 10 out of 10. But we're going to be spraying the acidic color gloss to protect it. Now I just section off her hair and I spray a generous amount to make sure that you are covering all the hair, and then you're just going to want to get a wide tooth comb or whatever brush that you have and make sure that you brush it thoroughly throughout the hair. So here I am finishing up her hair. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video, but just look at the gloss and the shine that this product gave her. Her hair just felt so good and looks so beautiful. I'm definitely going to have to give this product a 10 out of 10. The smell, 10 out of 10. As well as I forgot to mention, it is a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. It adds shine and protection as well as color protection. So I highly recommend this product. And here I am just adding one of my favorite products for a little bit more shine from Kevin Murphy. It's the Shimmer Shine, the gold. And here is the beautiful after in some natural lighting. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys next time.